Oh my God, hello. What's up, guys? Again.
I ain't got no motherfucking.
It is hot.
I ain't got no motherfucking friend.
Yes, it was very nice.
That's why I fucked your bitch, you
Now
fat
he's gone to
motherfucker.
work.
West Side!
Swaziland. I'm from
Bad boy
Swaziland.
killers! Yeah! You know who the realest is, we bring it to. First off, fuck your bitch and the clique you claim. Good Lord. West Side when we ride, man, we ride with flame. Yeah, you claim to be a player. I fucked your wife. You bust on bad boys, motherfuckers for life. Fuck trying to test me weak. I ain't got no motherfucking friends.
If I was a man too,
That's why I fucked your bitch, you fat motherfucker.
I would say this. If I have a rivalry,
I ain't got no motherfucking friends.
I would say this.
That's why I fucked your bitch, you fat motherfucker.
Can I cook? Yes, I can.
West Side! Bad boy killers! Yeah! You know who the realest is, we bring it to. First off, fuck your bitch and the clique
Yes.
you claim. Good Lord. West Side when we ride, man, we ride with flame. Yeah, you claim to be a player. I fucked your wife. You bust on bad boys, motherfuckers for life. Puppy trying to test me, weak hearts I rip. Biggie Smalls and his crew, punk ass tricks. We keep coming, steady gunning. Who's undone? Yes, we do. Fire stomping, clapping, true pack, bring the gun. Mercy, have mercy, no peace tonight. Little Caesar, ask your homie how I'll leave you. Leave you. Cut you in pieces, scatter through the ether. Good God Almighty. Little Kim, don't play with real G's.
Would I get into a polygamous? Yes, I love polygamy. I would get in because I love you so much. I would kill the other people so that I have you to myself. Oh my God,
So fuck peace.
I would gun everyone down to have you up to myself.
Grab your Glocks when you see Tupac. Call the cops when you see Tupac. Who shot me but you punked
I need cold water.
Now you feel the wrath of a minute. I hit 'em up. Check this out. Good Lord. You motherfuckers know what time it is. I don't even know why I'm on this track. Y'all ain't even on my level. I let my little homies ride on you bitch made bad
Again, this is not toho. It's hit 'em up.
Sinister, almost whispering. Take money, take. Yeah.
Tell us something you don't know about you. I'm not a virgin. Can you believe it? I'm not a virgin.
Still waters run deep, babe. Guess who's back? Back in this muggy room. Yeah, it's still Dre Day, baby. AK swinging real wide. Though I've grown a lot, can't keep it home alive. When I step to the spots that I'm known to rock, the ladies scream my name, but the haters, they talk. They wanna know if I still got it. Oh yes I do. Rap done changed, but my soul's still true. Dr. Dre's the name, baby. Ahead of my game, oh, still puffing my lead, still not loving police. Good God, hit me now.
Yes, I would date a 19-year-old. I like them young. I don't want 24, 26-year-old expired men with kids. I want fresh stuff. He's triple platinum, doing 50 a week. Even when I was close to defeat, I rose to my feet. My life's a soundtrack. I rose to the beat. Street rap like Cali weed. Smoke till I sleep. I wake up in the AM, compose and repeat.
Can I take it to the bridge now, baby? Good God,
Still got love.
still got fighting.
How young? I am 24, but I don't want an older guy. I want like 17, you know, 17 to 21. I don't want wasted men, like.
Taking my time to break the beat. Still got love for the streets. It's the D.R.E. I'm still here, baby. Still
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I'm representing for them gangsters all across the
Yeah.
world. Them corners in
I am using Vaseline, but currently I've changed into E23.
Still got
Hold
love
on.
for the streets. It's the D.
I use this now.
Paradise.
Paradise. Is there any chances you can date a girl? Yes, I love to lick pussy.
As I walk through the valley
Yes.
of the shadow of death, take a look at my life and realize there's nothing left. 'Cause I've been blasting and laughing so long.
I've been eating pussy like nobody's business.
Even mama thinks my mind is gone. But I ain't never crossed a man that didn't deserve it.
Hey,
Be
girl.
treated like a punk.
Sometimes,
Oh, that's
sometimes hey, girl is very scary. It's like you're gonna say hey, the man you're dating is mine.
where you walking.
Luckily, I'm
You and your
dating
homie
girls.
might be lying chalking. But I got a low.
I said I've been eating E45. That's my occupation. I'm unemployed. I have nothing that I'm doing. I wanna show off, guys, my new lip glosses.
Look at the situation.
My new collection. Hey babes, what did you study? Pharmacy.
Raised by the street. Gotta be down with the hood team. Oh Lord.
How much is this E45? Probably 182. 100 rands and 82, not very expensive. I got the smaller size because, you know, when you travel, you need something small, not a big thing, you know. But usually, I don't use this every day. I use this when I travel. I use the one for Vaseline. I use Vaseline, guys. The golden one that is tall like this. I don't use this. I don't use this. I use this when I'm away from home because this is the only thing that can get into my toiletry bag. And then I top it off with this. But I normally would wait 20 minutes after this, then I put this on. And then if I want to wear makeup like I'm wearing, like right now I'm wearing eyelashes and this, then powder. So I would wait until this is dry. Yes, we Swazi people, we can use this. Swazi people can use this in their country. We can use this, but South Africans don't use our own. Sorry, Barry, it's Gangsta's Paradise, but it's made in a older version. Professional quantity survey. Can you be my ambulance? I wish I could meet you one day. I'm a horrible person, Shane. I don't know how to talk. I probably will sit there and look at you. See, now it's better because you guys are there and I'm right here. So I don't know much about you guys. You know, and that's why I can be like, I'd be so bold talking through the camera, but in real life, I would just be quiet. Girl, clean, neat, and pretty. Thank you so much, Bobo. Thank you so much.
Hour after hour, everybody running, but they ain't looking. What's going on in the kitchen? And I don't know what's cooking. No, they say I gotta learn, but nobody's here to teach me.
Teach me, Lord.
If they can't understand it, now they go to Uzo.
Teach them.
Yes, they can. Yes, they will. I gotta stay full. Oh, it's not a lie. It's not a lie.
I am not South African. Uthi udla ini blue. Days ago, about 4 years old, I did, and they showed me flames. I cried. There's these people who actually said that Kanye is not coming to South Africa. Y'all are just a bunch of liars. Y'all are just a bunch of liars. Kanye is still coming to South Africa. There was a bit of a confusion, but y'all take a confusion and then conclude it to whatever that you guys want to picture it as a. You guys are just bad people. You're just bad people. You're telling that there was never no issues. Y'all are just biased. It's a scam. He's not coming. Oh God, please. There's another person. I'm not South African. I don't stay in South Africa. I stay in Swaziland. My watch, I don't know the brand.
Yeah. This one right here goes out to the mama. I'm sorry, Miss Jackson. Ooh, I am for real. Never meant to make a daughter.
I've never been to Cape Town. I only went to Cape Town last year, January, on my birthday.
A trillion times. I'm sorry, Miss Jackson. Oh, I am for real. Never meant to make a daughter cry. I apologize a trillion times. My baby mama don't like me, yeah. Bringing boys to the
I was taught that you
studio,
don't make
trying to find
friends.
me on the phone. She need a piece of that pie. Take a bite now.
I was told that you don't make friends from the internet, especially girls. If you're a girl, don't take girls from the internet and make them your friends. Too much white powder. What is white powder, guys? Pretty imperpity. Thank you. Perpetuity. No, I couldn't read that. You look pretty. Thank you so much. Do you think you'd enjoy the type of music if you lived in that era? Probably. Wasn't I with you last night? You was. We was together, I remember. so the cost for the hair was 12,000. Not this hair that I'm wearing, the other hair that she won that I bought in Nigeria. So then she said add 85k naira. 85k naira, I think in rands it's, if not 1,000 rand, I don't know, somewhere 85k, I think it's 1,900, something like that, I don't know. So I added that, so that's basically 13k. And then DHL will charge you costumes. It was 572, I think so.
Wish I could, abracadabra, all the sad thoughts of me, of she, of he, yeah. I pray so much, I need some knee pads. Pray on that, it happened for a reason. Can't be mad, know this, everything's cool. I'll be there on graduation.
Miss Jackson, the song is Miss Jackson.
I'll be there. I'm sorry, Miss Jackson. Ooh, I am for real. Never meant to make your daughter cry.
I need to charge my phone, because if I don't, it's gonna die. Oh my goodness, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but come back on live because I don't have a choice right now. Excuse me. I'm still here, guys, but I'm charging my phone, so I don't know what to do. If I should stay this side and wait for the phone to charge, or just, I think I should stay this side, yeah. I think I should stay this side, but I'll have to get the speaker and everything, just so that we charge. Guys, this is my only charging part that I'm sitting on right now, and without it my phone is gonna go off, so I'm going to get my speaker. And
It's not that we gotta do what we do, it's what we know. To me it ain't nothing but being true. But now I know only I can stop the rain. It doesn't have to be the way it is. You say it is just because
bed, back again. Shady's back, tell a friend. Guess we back, guess we back. Guess we back. Na 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 na. I've created a monster. Nobody wants to see Marshall no more. They want shady, I'm chopped liver. Well, if you want shady, this is what I give you. A little bit of me mixed with some hard liquor. Some vodka that'll jumpstart my heart quicker than a shock when I get shot at the hospital by the doctor when I'm not cooperating. When I'm rocking the table while he's operating. Hey, you waited this long to stop debating, cause I'm back from on the... I know that you got a job, Miss Cheney, but your husband's heart problems complicating, so the FCC won't let me be. Well, let me be me, so let me see. They try to shut me down on MTV, but it feels so empty without me.
Are you leaving now?
So come on, dip.
Does he know that you have to leave? Okay, I'll see you then. Okay, bye.
Mom on your lips, jump back, jiggle the hip, and wiggle a bit and get ready. Cause this is about to get heavy. I just settled all my lawsuits. F you, Debbie. Now this looks like a job for me, so everybody just follow me. Cause we need a little controversy, cause it feels so empty without me. This looks like a job for me, so everybody just follow me. Cause we need a little controversy, cause it feels so empty without me. A little hellions kids feeling rebellious, embarrassed.
Oh, it's not an album, it's just a song by Sold Out. It's Eminem Without Me, but it's sold out into a version of AI last year, I mean a long time ago.
And it's a disaster, such a catastrophe.
Into 90s, excuse me.
So damn much of my ass you ask for me. Well, I'm back, na 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 na. Fix your bed and tune it in, and then I'm gonna enter in up under your nails like a splinter. The center of attention back for the winner. I'm interested in the best thing since wrestling and fasting in your kids' ears and nesting, testing. Attention. Is free, a nuisance. Who sent you? Sent for me. Now this looks like a job for me, so everybody just follow me. Cause we need a little controversy, cause it feels so empty without me. This looks like a job for me, so everybody just follow me. Cause we need a little controversy, cause it feels so empty without me. Get a tasket, I go tit for tat with anybody who's talking this and that. Chris Kirkpatrick, you can get your ass kicked worse than them little Limp Bizkit bastards. And Moby, you could get stomped by Obi. You 36-year-old bald-headed, me, you don't know me, you're too old, let go, it's over. Nobody listens to techno, now let's go, just give me the sick.
About your case, can I come to unpack them tomorrow?
My suitcase?
Yeah.
No, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay. Yeah.
I'll be there with a whole list full of new insults. I've been dope, suspensed with a pencil ever since Prince turned himself into a symbol. But sometimes, man, it just seems everybody only wants to discuss me. So this must mean I'm disgusting, but it's just me, I'm just obscene. Yeah. Though I'm not the first king of controversy, I am the worst thing since Elvis Presley to do black music so selfishly and use it to get myself wealthy. There's a concept that works, 20 million other white rappers emerge, but no matter how many fish in the sea, it'll be so empty without me. Now this looks like a job for me, so everybody just follow me, cause we need a little controversy, cause it feels so empty without me.
Hi, baby.
Sorry, what time they work?
No problem, no problem. I don't know why they keep removing the other songs, and I don't like that. How is life? Constantly traveling, I am sure is fun, but also exhausting. No, not traveling. I'm doing great, guys. Oh gosh, I'm doing great. I'm doing wonderfully. The economy is doing wonderfully. Oh, I'm gonna play this old song.
Have a baby by me, baby, be a millionaire. Have a baby by me, baby, be a millionaire. Have a baby by me, baby, be a millionaire. Be a millionaire, be a millionaire. Have a baby by me, baby, be a millionaire.
I'm from Eswatini. Babwam unelikhaya kuMathapha. Angikhulela ngakhona kepha ngakhulela kaManzini. Ngoba makena babwam bahlukana ngisesemncane. So nelimakhaya lahlukene. Ngina make nababe but babwam unemfati wakhe. I don't like to say my stepmother, but because she's way older than my mom, and yeah, anyway. But yeah, I have Salak Matapa Nyal, me. Dam. And then Babuna Salak Matapa and Patoki Gaki Kala. Moga Mushala Egamanzi. Kule Legamanzi.
Do it, feel a rush from my touch, get intoxicated. Drunk off my love, call a Hennessy thug. Passion, you laughing, I make you smile on a regular. Tell me what you want, shorty, that's what I'ma do for you. I need you to do what I need, more than liquor. I need you to make I'm telling you, so now you know what I need. I be a part-time or full-time lover, significant lover. No matter which way it go, I'm also gutter. Girl, you can get it however you gon' get it. I'm feeling you still, I'm feeling you right now.
Is that the one fighting for your soul? Or your brother's the one that you're running from? But if you got mine, cause I want some.
B.I.G. Fucking with me. Oh God. Whoa.
Am I going somewhere? I just came back from somewhere.
Ain't nobody fucking with my click, 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 click. Ain't nobody fresher than my motherfucking click, click, click.
You guys sing, they like it was 50 cents, Baby by Me.
And all these bad bitches, man, they want the B.I.G. Oh God.
I'm not into it. I want.
I ain't got no motherfucking friend. That's why I fucked your bitch, you fat motherfucker. West Side, bad boy killers. Yeah. You know who the realest is. We bring it to. First off, fuck your bitch and the click you claim. Good Lord. West Side when we ride, man, we ride with flame. You claim to be a player. I fucked your wife. You bust on bad boys, motherfuckers for life.
Where your city? Durban, Cape Town, or Johannesburg? Eswatini. I'm not a South African. I'm not South African. I'm from Swaziland. Eswatini. Ngikhulele eSwatini ngatalelwa eSwatini ngatalwa batali laba maswati bobabili. My mom leSwati, baba wami leSwati, ngikhulele eSwatini, ngafunza eSwatini. Solo ngihlala eSwatini. Ngwaseswatini guys. I was born and bred in Eswatini. I'm a Swati. My both parents are both Swati. I do not have Instagram. I don't have Instagram. Anyone who has my Instagram is just someone else. It's not me. I don't have Instagram. I don't even have the app. There's nothing special about me that I don't have Instagram. I just don't like it. Sorry about that, guys.
Y'all ain't even on my level. Not on his level. I'll let my little homies ride. Ride on them. On you bitch made bad boy bitches.
They slept too much. Too much. My birthday is on the 4th of January. I know, kind of trashy month, but guys, hi Primi, how are you? Yes, I'm a Capricorn.
This is so quite low, sinister, almost whispering.
Don't have depression. You mustn't have any depression. Would you consider joining Miss Eswatini? No, I'm fat. I'm fat.
Take money.
I don't work. Hello, another Dlamini in the house. Yay! Khosi njani Dlamini? How tall am I? I am 176 centimeters.
I'm still with you.
Fez, thanks for the rose, my darling. Blue is pregnant. Mine? Mine? I don't even think I will ever.
Still waters run deep, babe.
Tell me your favorite song category and I'll create one for you. No, I'm good.
Guess who's back? Back in this muggy room.
What do you do for fun? I stay home. I stay home. There's my outfit.
Live on one.
No, don't worry. I'm live on TikTok.
I see. Until what time are you live?
I don't really have a specific time because I'm actually not doing anything, so I'm just relaxing here. Yeah.
Alright, I say, can you back from Zim?
No. Ngikade ngibuyile angithi bengifuna ukukubona but kwakhenzakala ukuthi awukho na use Newcastle.
Yeah, she's been hospitalized now.
Wait, how bad is it?
Oh, I'll see now when I get there. They've detected.
But you stay home for fun, you just gave up. I think I'll end up having to work one day because I don't think staying at home is what I'm passionate about. I have business ideas in my head that I want to, go through. And, also while I'm in it, I'll probably go back to school and figure something out. And then, I'm hoping that I'm actually able to get, all the plans that I have in my head than having no plans at all, I know that it's going to be a heavy journey because school and work at the same time. So I want to have a business of my own. And I have been planning this for the whole year. So maybe next year it might just go according to plan,
I'm still here, babe. Still beyond.
Hello?
Yeah. You can find me in a club, bottle full of bug. Look, mama got the secret into taking drugs. I'm in a having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug if you into getting rough.
I bought it from Shein. This is a Shein one. This one I bought it from Forever New. And then the tights I bought them from Shein as well.
Roll that weed up, exhibit in the back. I got hit, but I don't walk with a limp. They love me like pop, coast to coast, don't slip. Fully focused, money on my mind. Million out the deal, still on my grind. Oh, you can find me in the club, bottle full of bug. Mommy got the hex if you're into taking drugs. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug. Give me a hug if you're into getting rough. Oh, come give me a hug if you're into getting rough.
Funa ngenteni eviki? Funa ngiphume. Like the life. Ngicosha.
And I'm that cat by the bar, toasting to the good life. You hating, should be happy I made it right. When my joint bump in the club is on, wink at your girl, she gone by the song. Roof on fire, let the mother burn. Talk money, I don't ever get concerned. Switch the style up, watch the money pile up, and we can smash a bottle. You know what's up, you can buy me in the club. Bottle full of
Thank you,
bug.
my love. I miss you, Condile. Come on.
I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. Yeah! You can buy me in the club.
Okay, I will.
Full of bug.
Okay, Vicky.
If you're into taking drugs, I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug if you're into getting rough. So come give me a hug if you're into getting rough.
You're playing the same song. Hey, Bo. These are nice songs, yo. Guys.
In the name of Jesus. No weapon formed against me shall prosper. Ooh. No weapon. Lord, give me a sign. Lord, give me a sign. I really need to talk to you, Lord. Talk to you. Lord, give me a sign. Lord, give me a sign.
Let me know what's on your
On your mind.
Show me how to teach the
Heals the blind.
Lord, give me a sign.
Lord, give me a sign.
Let me know what's on
Let me know what's on your mind. Show me how to teach the blind.
Lord, give me a sign.
Lord, good God, show me what I got to do to bring me closer to you, closer to you. Lord, give me a sign. Please show me something. Tired of all this hurting. Show something. Crying about life, acting like it's nothing. You're trapped or you're hunting. Rise up or stay down. Trapped in your own mind, waiting on the Lord, or hunting with the word that cuts like a sword. Good God,
Like a sword.
through all the trials you never let me down. Never let us down. Lord, give me a sign.
Let me know what's on
Let me know what's on your mind.
Show me how to reach the blind.
Sister Moshe, you want to listen to the song.
Lord, give me a sign.
Let me know what's on
Let me know what's on your mind.
Show me how to reach the blind.
life or death, live or die, live or die.
I will never live a lie through the darkest night.
Good God.
Lord, give me a sign.
Let me know what's on
Let me know what's on your mind. Show me how to reach the blind.
give me a sign.
Show me the way.
Give me a sign. Give me a sign.
Give me something.
Give me a sign.
Give me a sign.
Give me a sign.
Yeah. I'm still with you.
Many, 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 many men.
Still waters run deep, baby.
We might be listening to the same place.
Guess who's back? Back in this smoggy room.
I think it's changing. The weather's changing here. Let me check how it's going to be.
Yeah, still Dre Day, baby. AK swinging real wide. Though I've grown a lot, can't keep it home alive. When I step to the spots that I'm known to rock, the ladies scream my name, but the haters, they talk. They wanna know if I still got it. Oh, yes, I do. Rap done changed, but my soul's still true.
Was I good at math? No, I was not.
Still puffing my leaves, still not loving police. Good God, hit me now. Still rocking my khakis, cuff and a crease, yeah. Still got love for the streets, ripping 213. The beat's still bang. I'm still doing my thing.
I'm representing for them gangsters all across the world.
Oh yeah.
In them corners, in them low.
Boleke imali yokulobola ngizokukhokhela mase ngisebenze ibhadi leyo iqhilo lelo iqhilo lelo
Last time you heard from me, I lost some friends. But me and Snoop Dogg
iqhilo
back
lelo
again.
lena nje ibhadi khomba ukuthi kunebhadi lekhona empilweni yami.
He's triple platinum, doing 50 a week. Even when I was close to defeat, I rose to my feet. My life's a soundtrack, I rose to the beat. Street rap like Cali weed, smoke till I sleep. I wake up in the AM, compose and repeat.
Can I take it to the bridge now, baby? Good God,
Still got love,
still got it.
bring the heat.
I'm representing for them gangsters all across the world. In them corners, in the low-lows, girl.
Taking my time to break the beat. Still got love for the streets. It's the D.R.E.
Good God.
I'm still here, baby. Still
I'm from Eswatini.
I'm representing for them gangsters all across the world. In them corners, in them low-lows, girl.
taking my time to break the beat. Still got love for the streets. It's the D.R.E. I'm still here, babe. Still
Many, 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 many men. Woo! Da-na-na-na.
Yeah. This one right here.
Guys, it looks like I'm gonna love and leave you. I think I need to consider enough my phone. I'm trying to pull it out now. and maybe we should go back to where we were sitting because I'm not comfortable being on the floor. So I'm going to get this now and then we go back to our seat where we were sitting.
Sorry, Miss Jackson.
I'm for real, I'm taking my speaker with me.
Never meant to make a daughter cry. I apologize a trillion times. I'm sorry, Miss Jackson. Oh, I am a real. Never meant to make a daughter cry. I apologize a trillion times. My baby mama don't like me, yeah. Bringing boys to the studio trying to fight me.
Thank you for the heart.
Take a bite now, take a bite. That's my house. I pull the lights out. Lights out. Yeah. Grandchild's a baby, not a paycheck. Not a check. No. Private school daycare bills. I pay that. I pay that every dime. I love your mom, but ain't the only one laid down. Ain't the only one. She wanna start a war. Lawyers stay around. Oh, Lord have mercy. She never heard birthdays. I ain't invited. No. Still, I show respect when I come through. Yeah. Respect every time. Yeah. I'm sorry, Miss Jackson. Ooh, I am real.
I never
Never
meant
make
to
a daughter cry. I apologize a trillion times. I'm sorry, Miss Jackson. Yeah, for real. Never meant to make a daughter cry. I apologize a trillion.
ngiyanijayivela manje guys.
You can plan a pretty picnic, but you can't predict the weather, Mr. Jackson. Ten times out of nine, if I might find a muscle fire, king meets queen, puppy love turns hustle. Dreaming about that swing on the oak tree. Well, forever, forever, ever, forever, ever, forever, ever, forever don't seem long till you're grown. No, it don't. Day by day, ruler gets it wrong, gets it wrong. My intentions were good. I wish I could have a good ever. All the sad thoughts on me, of she, of he. Yeah. I pray so much. I need some knee pads. Pray on that it happened for a reason. Can't be mad, can't be mad. Know this, everything's cool. I'll be there on graduation too. I'll be there. I'm sorry.
I'm a housewife.
Ooh, I am for real. Never meant to make your daughter cry.
I apologize.
A trillion times. I'm sorry, Miss Jackson. Yeah, I'm for real. Never meant to make your daughter cry. I apologize. A trillion times.
So now you want me to expose my husband here on live. That's crazy.
Look at the way you treat me. Your nosy friends got you out on the creek, out on the creek. No paddle, straddling, riding this thing on out. Ride it out, ride it. You and your girl ain't speaking my name in a mouth, yeah. Jealousy, infidelity, every cheating, same thing in 2G. Who you blaming? Same song you keep singing. Same song that
Let me get my phone that I'm playing with.
you and your mama be gone. Gone. Sorry, Miss Jackson. Ooh, I am for real. Oh, never meant to
Yeah, ne? Let's play Gangsta's Paradise for the last time.
Paradise,
Imagine
paradise.
my wife dancing on social media for strangers now.
As I walk through
Luckily
the
it's not
valley
your wife. Deadbeat
of the
dead.
shadow of death,
Look at this deadbeat.
take a look at my life and realize there's nothing left. 'Cause I've been blessed.
Yeah, no. Promise I will tip you the price of the nails you're going to make. I know that you are
Even
you
mama
when you do something you're good at it. And yeah, Shongiti, I'm not seeing you in Swaziland. There's no way. Ngenghambe kangaka eSwatini. Ngakubona. Yeah, Shongiti awukho man. I wonder where you are.
didn't deserve it. He treated like a punk, you know that's unheard of.
Praise God, you're not his wife. But low-key, he's right. Nah, I wouldn't want my wife dancing for social
Where you
media.
walking, you and your homies might be lying and chalk. But I got a load.
I get it. That's a valid point. But thank God I'm not his wife.
Homies wanna be like saying prayers in the street light. They've been spending most of their lives living in the gates of paradise. Paradise, paradise, paradise. They've been spending most of their lives living in the gates of paradise.
I always see you in Lerato's WhatsApp statuses. Who's Lerato? Who's Lerato, guys?
Look at the situation you got me facing. I can't live a normal life. Raised by the street, gotta be down with the routine. Oh, too much television watching, got me chasing dreams. I'm an educated fool with money on my mind.
Mkombe awusixolele man siyalalela thina.
I'm a low-top gangster, tripping back. My homies is down. Death ain't nothing but a heartbeat away. Oh, living life do or die. What can I say?
Oh, thank you, Hugo, for the rose, my darling. You know, Hugo always comes here and gives me a rose and then he goes.
Oh Lord, I don't know.
I'll never understand why.
Tell me why. Are we so blind to see? and the power. Minute after minute, hour after hour. Everybody running, but they ain't looking. What's going on in the kitchen? But I don't know what's cooking, no.
Yay. Someone was gifting me something and they suspended it. I don't know what it is.
The club isn't the best place to find a lover, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots.
Are you Christian? I am.
We talk slow. Come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance.
Thank you so much, Little Fire.
Take my hand, stop, put Van the Man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And now I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be
Yes, my real name is
crazy,
Blue.
don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. 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 I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too, I'm in love with your body. And last night you were in my room, and now my bed sheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. 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 Every day. Something brand new. I'm in love with the shape. One weekend we let the story begin. We're going out on our first date. You and me are thrifty, so go all you can eat. Fill up your bag and I'll fill up a plate. We talk for hours and hours about the sweet and the sour and how your family is doing okay. And leaving, get in a taxi, then kiss in the backseat. Tell the driver make the radio play. And I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love
Something is stressing me. And you know, guys, I hate overthinking so bad. I hate overthinking so bad, guys. It's just like right now, I just thought about some disrespect or something that I can't even control. That disrespect happened long time ago. Now it has taken my mood from hundreds to zero. Like I don't even know. Like I just don't even like. I hate the way my brain works. Honestly, I'll be so happy right now, and right now I've just made a conclusion in my head that I was disrespected and I let it go. And just right, like I don't even know why I keep thinking about those things. I hate my mind. Honestly, I hate my mind. Cause sometimes no, I'm thinking about the things that happened to me while I was trying to love somebody, you know, and there's things that happened that I asked about but they were brushed off. But now that it's over and done, the pieces are coming back together. And the moment I'm supposed to be so happy and this thing is just happening. Like you just think about one disrespect and it just takes you down. Like that, like this, like sometimes you just think, you know what, there's really nothing that you can do. You're bound to overthink. You're just not, like you're not even worried about that person. You're worried about how many people knew that you were a fool. So sad. It is so sad. Have you bathed today? No, I didn't bathe. I woke up and I just didn't bath. Remind yourself that you're better than that person. Yeah, I actually did, honestly, and you can't even trust anybody. No matter how loyal and innocent you can be, guys, I don't think it helps. But it's better you be loyal, because now, if you aren't loyal, you will not be loyal until you have herpes. You will have herpes, you will have HIV because you think you're a player. So I can't really stop being loyal, but also it doesn't help, because the person you are in love with, you can't guarantee that person to be 100% loyal to you. You understand? So people, stay on prep. Stay on prep. Because I'm sitting there, I'm even thinking, yo, Bafet, hey, yabo Shem, you can be a fool because you want to be loved. Shibito, angifune ukuthuka mfana mangikwathi nokuthi wakuphi. I feel like there's more than enough evidence in the world than that most people are not loyal. I would agree with you. I definitely agree with you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yes, I'm from Swaziland. How tall are you? I am 176 centimeters. Uhlala Pingos, Eswatini. Are you still willing to take the risk? One thing about me, I'll never give up on love. I will never give up on love. I don't care if I'm broken tomorrow. I don't care. I will never give up on love. If you hurt me so much, I will still find love. I don't care. I will never forgive. But guys, there's a pastor who said, let love lead. Love, guys, is the greatest, the biggest, one of the conquerors. There is no way a human being can make me stop loving. If you hurt me today, it's fine. Yes, it's going to be painful. I will cry. I will be very emotional. I will be a fool. You will laugh at me. You will win. But I will never give up just because you decided not to be loyal or faithful to me, or you decided to hurt me. I will never give up on love. I will never give up on love. Trust me, I am ready for anything at any moment. For anything. So long as it excites me and it makes me happy, I will never give up on love. I will never give up on love. You can never convince me that a human being will make me give up on love. One human being. Yes, TB just said it. Let love lead. Guys, I don't care. I will fall in love. Would you date a younger guy who provides? I will date a younger guy who doesn't even provide. I don't choose. You lie, mom. Get the fuck out. Can someone get this imbecile out of the live? Because he's just being a boost at this point. Like, this person, I don't know what's his problem. How are you doing? I'm doing great, guys. You'll find it 2026. I am not looking. I'm saying I will never give up on love. Whether it's probably not even a he. You know, men hate women that they can't get. They know that they can't get. Men hate women that they know that they can't get. They'll just bash them, try to humble them here and there. That's a man who knows that he can't get a woman that he would actually try and get to me, but he knows very well that he can't get. Then he will hate on that person. just your looks is a problem because you're beautiful. No, but there's this other person right here on the live who's just been vile. Just a vile person. He's been vile. And honestly, today there were no fights on this live today. I've been really good. I have not insulted nobody. There was a moment where I should have done that, but I didn't. But there's a person here who's behind an account trying by all means to get a rage out of me, but they're not gonna get it. I'm just saying that a man like that, who always just wants to humble you, is a man that hates that the fact that he knows that he can never have you. So my top is from Shein. It's from Shein. I bought it on Shein. It's a bathing suit, like, because it goes underneath as well. You tie it underneath. Is the necklace new? Yes, it is new. I bought it like a day before yesterday. Yes, a day before yesterday, which is Saturday. I bought it Saturday. Is that a Rolex? Tell me what you think it is. The same person who's been very vile to me is asking me, are you married or just asking for a friend? You're a girl behind that page sitting on a chair just miserable because your boyfriend probably wants me. And you need to chill out because you're a mean person. You're a vile person. I will stop reacting to you. You're not a nice person. You are not a nice person. You are not a nice person. You are just a vile person. And I suggest you leave the life. Let me chow for 100 rand. Yes, you will chow. Go and give it to your mom and chow her for 100 bucks. Go exactly back to your mom where you came from. Chow her. Give her 100 bucks. You can't wake up from your house and think that you're gonna come into someone's life and be mean. That doesn't, and expect the person to not react because they are supposed to present themselves as a nice person on a live. I will talk to you back. I am not afraid. I will tell you what you want to hear. Take that 100 bucks and go pay your mom. Bend over for your mom. Ask your mom to bend over for you. How can a person wake up and decide that they're going to be vile? Hi baby girl, hi darling. They wake up and decide they're just vile. It's okay. I don't know why people think that because you're on a live, you're supposed to portray yourself as a person who can't say anything bad. I will say something bad to you back. Did the glycolic acid end up helping? Yes, it did, but it's gonna be a slow call. You see, right here, it's disappearing, guys. If you were using a thingy, that thing, it makes your armpits black. Like here, it almost burnt me. The Micham, yeah, I was using it and it was burning me, so I had to stop, guys. And then this area right here, it's dark because I got burnt by it. So I'm trying to get rid of it by using the glycolic acid. So once I wash myself and my body, and I take the glycolic acid, put it in a face pad, and then I rub it here. It helps a little bit, but it's not like something that's gonna be quick. It does help though. Most people were complaining about it. I didn't think that I needed to check my armpits until I started eating a lot and I would scratch. Guys, no ways. I am not doing that anymore. Micham, I gave up. I'm sticking to Dove. I'm using Nivea right now. Where can you get the acid? You can get it from Discam. I don't think we have it in Swaziland because I don't think we have the glycolic acid in Swaziland. But you can get someone who can buy it for you. I don't sweat a lot, guys. I'm one person who does not sweat. I don't really sweat, and I think that's unhealthy. The blondie weave, I tried the Persperex, it did me dirty. Hey guys, now I stick now to something that is basic. Yeah, but we try to change from Sakta Life Exchange because when we were younger we were using Shield. I was using Shield when I was younger, and then I grew up, and then Dove, and then now Longsengaga. I decided I'm going to use. You not swearing is a biological cap. Oh God, there's another person who knows me from inside out. So the Blue Sun X, it does not work for me. It does not work for me. It does not work for me. You start from Shield, and then you go from Dove, and then you move from Micham. I will never ever use Micham. Ngiyabonga ngayo. Micham, guys. What is your height? I am 176 centimeters. I am looking for a recommendation for a fun bar in Swaziland. I would recommend Solani's. Yeah, if you want. Solani's is the best place. I don't sweat even, and I work out. You see, there's some people who also don't sweat. It takes a lot of time for them to sweat. Like for me, if I have to sweat, I have to work for it. You're taller than me. Do you model? No, I do not model. Usebenzisa yiphi phone, my sister? Powerful Sham. Right now on here it's my 13 Pro Max, then I have 14, and then I have 15. I have 3 phones. I was not able to purchase 16 because I had to, at the time I had to make an alternative, put money aside for what I'm trying to create for next year, or just buy a new phone. It would be better if someone else buys it for you. So do you need the 16? I don't want the 16. I want the 17. I might have it, I might not have it. It depends. If someone buys it for me, then I'll have it, but I'm not going to use money anytime soon for a phone. Don't you get tired of chasing trends? I am not chasing any trend. How tall are you? I'm 176 centimeters. It's the 14 Pro Max. This is it. It's still fresh and new, guys. I really never use this phone. It's the purple one even. See how fresh it is? I never really use it that much. I don't use it. And then I have the 15. I think this is 15 plus. Yeah, this is 15 plus. This is a 15 plus. Yeah, I also hate it now as well. It used to be fun, but now it's no longer fun. All April. I used to own a Galaxy right after high school, but it was an S10. Yes, it was the S10, the blue one, the small one. I used to have it, and I think I lost that phone if I didn't crash that phone, because I don't know what happened. If they stole it from, I didn't care about it either way when I lost it, because I bought a new phone. So I didn't care about it when I lost it. Yeah. What do you do? I'm not currently doing anything. Thank you so much for asking. That's the best question. I'm surviving. I'm doing well. What's the third phone? So there's 13, 14, and 15. So I didn't get the 16, and I'm still not getting the 17. So congratulations to everybody who has those phones. They look very nice. They look very nice. People who say the 17 is not looking good, I think your pocket's not looking good. Just accept that you don't want to buy it. But I am 24. I'm turning 25 next year, the 4th of January. Very excruciating year to turn. I hate it. I wish I was turning 22 at least. What are you, some kind of rich girl or what? Oh my gosh, what? I don't know what to say. I'm just a normal girl, unemployed, just looking for something to do it. You know, just be nice. You know, people, you would try to be so nice, but like, you're just so mean. I'm turning 25 too on the 5th of January. That's nice, Capri. You're a Capri and I'm a Capri. You live 25 years, that's something to be happy about. Correct, you're right. You're making me feel ungrateful. But yeah, you're right, I should be grateful for that. What did you study at school? Nothing. Blue, listening to blues. Are you happy? I think I am. Well, can I be honest? I'm trying to be happy. I'm trying to be happy. You're pretty. You're a model? No, I'm not a model. Let's have a spa day. Oh, no, thank you. I don't like spa days. I've never had a spa day, actually, guys. I've never. You look stunning. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. When I was on Muslebo. Thank you so much. Married or planning to be? Guys, this is a very contradicting question. You know, sometimes we want marriage, sometimes we don't want marriage. So I don't know. Some days I'll tell you I want it because sometimes it looks nice, you know, to be happy with one partner, and you know, but will that other partner be happy by just having you alone? You know, that's the thing. You can't guarantee someone to be loyal as you. So that's the thing. And sometimes people do stay in marriage even if it's bad. You know, you forgive cheating, but it's already broken. Once you cheat and the person finds out, it's already broken. Still single? No. Where are you from? I'm from Eswatini, Swaziland. I was born and bred in Eswatini. Both of my parents are both Swati. Do you want to be famous? No. Oh, I would rather be rich. You gorgeous. Thank you so much. Haibo was the one boga and we just locked eyes. We did? That is beautiful. Haibo was the one boga and we just, okay, we should go visit the Sangoma. Damn, she's not single. How does it feel to have 100k followers? It feels nothing. My first account was 200k, so it feels nothing. It's just normal. There's people who are like 3 million, but they still don't get views at some point. Like, it just doesn't mean anything. Do you go to the gun range? No. Hi. Who's on this? How? Why? Umuntu masundlisile bese bayabulalana bayagwazana. Siyabona bayababulala labantfu labasikati, you know, and other people are saying, no, umdlisile, you know, stuff like that. So, no. If you could wish for one thing, what would it be? A perfect home for myself and a very, very, very large sum amount of money that I can build my hotel that I want to build. Does TikTok pay you, mommy? No. I don't think TikTok pays in Swaziland. Don't think we're recognized. Kunjani wena sesilomuhle? Ngiyabonga mdusha bang. Ngiyaphila njani wena? You mind friendship via WhatsApp? I do not do that nonsense. That also is a nonsense question. Does Solanis have shisha? Yes, they do. They do have shisha. At least I saw gold today and I will sleep peacefully. You make me proud to be African. Thank you, my darling. Would you get married to a polygamist? Yes, I would. But you would go to a funeral every day, every weekend. Your wives, the others will be disappearing. With your kids even, they will be disappearing. We wouldn't know why, but they would be disappearing. You will go to a funeral every weekend until they think that you are the one that's killing them. I love polygamists. Why do they think that they are the only ones that they can have 3 hearts, 4 hearts? You would go to a funeral every weekend. You wouldn't know why. I wouldn't know why. I wouldn't know why. But they would be disappearing. Would you date a Ghanaian? No. I would join a polygamy family. Take everyone down. I was wearing heels. I think they're at the corner. I was wearing heels, guys. Is your ideal a Swati man? We have really nice Swati men. Oh, guys, Swati men are so beautiful. Hey, Swati men and Swati women. We have, oh gosh, yes, they are very beautiful, but no, they're not my ideal. Show us the heels, please. Okay, I think I wore them and they are on one of my page here. This is the heels that I was wearing. Can I do your nails? Oh, that's so nice. That would be lovely. Light skinned man. Oh, very light skinned man. Very, very light skin. Light skin to white. Light skinned man. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. The skin. The skin. This is size 6, not 3. Shame. In sneakers I wear 5, but in heels I make sure that I leave a space here. Tall or short, guys? No, I don't choose that. I don't care. I don't mind the height. Honestly, I don't really mind the height. You know, I really don't mind the height. I've dated short guys, but nah, I don't mind the height. But colored and white, wow. Sneakers or heels? I actually love both. But everybody has a type, guys. There's men who also don't like fat women. They like slimmer girls. There's men who don't like slimmer girls who like fat women. Everybody has a choice. There's men who like dark-skinned girls and not light-skinned girls. Everybody has a type, so you can't be really thrashing me for liking what I like, because nani ni having a type here. Would you date a woman that's fat and ugly? No, because you have a type. You have a type. So I feel like if even guys who are white who say that their type is not black girls, I don't know why people get mad, because it's his type. It's his type. He just likes his native people, and that's okay. And there's women also who wouldn't date white guys even if they're black women. You know, for me, I like white to light skin. It must be very, very light skin. It must actually look like I will see something. It must be glass. Umfana womzulu angathanda ukujoina live yakho. Do you believe in love at first sight? I do. There are two types of men. The one that's your ideal and the one that's your soulmate. You're correct. Most of us are not dating our type. And let me say it the way that I think. Sometimes your type isn't the ideal person that you're looking for. Your type might not be the man that or the woman that you're looking for. You say, oh, that lady is my type, but she does things that you don't like, so that's not what you can settle for. You understand? We are dating people who aren't our types. It's like having a crush. I have a crush on somebody, but at the same time, what am I saying? I'm saying, if you like your crush and finally you get your type, your crush, and the crush is just very not your type anymore, it's just a turn off for you at some point. It's just like that. Like, you can date someone but then have a crush, and then when you crush on that person and you finally get that person and you're like, no ways, I don't want to be with this. So that's why most of us who are dating, most of everybody are dating people who aren't their type. You say you like white or light skin. Yes. Does a man have to have money when dating men? Yes, when you're dating a man, you have to have money. Does men, because your question is based on men to men. You said, does a man have to have? Yes. When men date each other, they must have money. Yeah, I'm joking. You're correcting yourself, a woman. I feel like I think it depends. It depends. For me, if you are able to buy bread, that's fine. We can be together. But we're not going to chow my money, though. Ashley Hustiver, you're definitely not broke. You wanted to buy me... Ashley, guys, wanted to buy me... What's this? A Cadillac. Pink or brown? I'd do brown. I'm thinking of that in a close way. I learn about... But all I know is that women that love a man will never ask that man for money. In most cases, that's how it happens. In most cases. When a woman is really in love, she definitely won't ask you for money. But she will wait for you to just give it to her, when you have. But when a woman does not love you, she will ask you for money. Blatantly. And she wouldn't even be... If she doesn't care about you, she will ask you for money. Girls might just come after me and say, yeah, unemang. I like being spoiled too, but it's not easy asking your man for money. What are thoughts on GF allowance? If you have, you can give it. If you don't have, it's still fine. I don't know why people make a big deal out of it. If your man has, your man has. There are some women there who are dating men that the women themselves, they are supporting that man. There are. So would you do 50-50 in a relationship? If you're going to do your own laundry, yeah. If you're going to do everything for yourself, yeah. I can definitely do 50-50. Man, you don't care about easier, you just ask for things. You are just patient. Why did you leak information about yourself? And you said in Indaba years back, bruh, can you please get... I did that information because I thought they had told me that he had done, he's the one that actually exposed me. So I did it back on him as well. And then he told me that he didn't. And then he told me that he didn't. Would you take your man on a date? Yes, I have done that before. And I think I still have the pictures of that date night. And I also set up candles in my house for a lover of mine one time. It was really beautiful. I literally go hard shame for the men that I love. If not infambatani yokujola yase Swaziland. Manje why you khulume ngathi leyo infambatani ayibo. You guys think women are just objects in Swaziland and you can come and pick just because you want njwala kabla maswat. Bo. Think you can just come to Swaziland and get a girl because you think you have money? I did this, guys. I did this. Oh, sorry, this girl. I buy hair from her in Nigeria. This is my house. I was setting up a date one time, and like, guys, I really go hard. I'm a lover. Tell me something that keeps a woman being a mystery, not availing yourself too much. You know, once I think sometimes men have to but this is not like, you don't have to be available all the time. Even a man, you don't have to be available all the time. You don't have to be available all the time. You have to sometimes be a mystery. Like, a girl shouldn't know everything about you. That's all I think. She has to wonder about you sometimes. But that's not a very good advice. I don't know what keeps a woman. I really don't know what keeps a woman. It depends on what she really wants. How many sources of income do you have? One. My father. Like, not replying on WhatsApp for long. Don't do that. Respond, but okay, guys, I'm not very good in this, but you just shouldn't be too available. I'm not South African, Shem Valencia. I'm from Eswatini. What would keep you? The truth, the motherfucking truth. The truth. Tell the truth all the time. You don't have to lie. Respond after hours. Hey, you might find her with someone else. Respond, but don't be available. You understand? Why don't you have IG? Because you're damn pretty. I don't know. Can I send my people to Eswatini? Yes, please. I'll give you the address to my home, where you can write a letter and ask for my hand in marriage. I will marry you today. Thank you, Ganis. Blue, I need a rich man. Sure? I don't know where you're gonna get that, but I wish you all the best in getting a rich man. I don't know where to get rich man. I don't do that. What's the difference between replying and being available? You reply, but you reply to her message, but be distant. Not be too available. Girls get bored too. Girls get bored too. Just this thing is the same, guys. I got my own, but I'm tired of dating guys who has nothing. That's mean. I don't want to continue with that conversation. Are you clingy? Very clingy. I'm very clingy. So blue ticking is fine from time to time. Yeah, I don't know, but yeah. What's your professional? I get an allowance from my father. There's nothing that I'm doing. Be my friend, okay. You look like Hailey Berry. I'll take that as a compliment. For you, I think it's better to date someone who has a similar background as yours. Even if rich, I'm not rich. I just get money from my father. He's still alive, guys. He's still alive. He gives me money. My father's still alive. He gives me money. Yes, it might not be a Louis Vuitton bag money, but it's money for me. Hey, when is our first date? Soon, my love. God of DB, what is that? Usasegini, nope. I'm not home right now, but I have my own house. And then my dad stays with his wife and kids. Then my mom and dad separated when I was young, so my dad got married. And I don't know, I think my dad was already married because my mom was supposed to be the third wife, and apparently my mom's mother, which is my grandma, refused. I think I heard. And even my dad's polygamy family never lasts, because the second wife left. He has one wife now, so yeah, but he takes care of us. A shame. My father takes care of every kid, takes care of us. I appreciate that. Who do you live with then? I live by myself. I have my apartment. I'm 24. I have to have things of my own. And last year I bought land. Very excited about it. I was very, very excited about it. That was one big accomplishment of mine. So I'm 24. You can't expect me to still living with my mom. I have 2 from my mother, and then I have 3. I have a lot on my father's side. Even though my mom and dad fought a lot, but my dad never stopped taking care of me, which I appreciate. What you plan on doing with the land? Building, obviously. Do you have a car? I do have a car. I heard you talking about Eswatini. I want to relocate there. That would be good. That would be good. If you need someone to build for, I'm here. I have $5 though. If I may ask, what work does your father do? He owns trucks and buses. He was working for Duvan, but he had to retire because my father's an old man now. So now he just owns these land. He owns these trucks now that he takes out for. They're selling river sand and buses as well. So, is your dad Liswati? Yes, my dad is Liswati. My mom is Liswati. They are both black. Both black. My mom is black. Just that my mom is too light-skinned. My mom is very light-skinned. She even has the green stuff that is showing here. The green stuff, they say that it means that you're fertile. I don't know. In Siswati, they're saying that it's you're showing that you're very fertile if you have the green things showing in there. My mom is very, very, very light skinned. Then my dad is black with no hair. My dad doesn't have too much hair. He's an old guy, but he has curves like Neymar. Like curves like Neymar in the legs. The curvy legs. Like this. When they stand there like this. Yeah. I'm a civil engineering technician with 2 year. Oh, that's good. That's very nice. 2 year experience. You look... I don't speak French. Hello, can I have your WhatsApp number? Unogwego, yes, unogwego. I didn't think that people here were going to understand what I'm trying to say, so I actually said it in English, you know. But ngesiswati unetigweg. I need to visit Swatini to meet you. Can we do lunch sometime? Swatini is a very nice country, but I don't think as far as meeting me that is possible. But I appreciate that, you know, your interest. I appreciate as a person who's on my life. I appreciate that so much. Hi Gadlamini nguphi kodwa ngeke ke bese ngisho ukuthi kuphi. Nithi igwege thina sithi tigweg ngesiswati tigweg. Blue, I'm serious about sending my people here instead. Guys, I've been on this live for 2 hours now. I have to love and leave you at some point. If I was in a relationship with you, it would be hard to marry. Yes. I don't know what you mean. Can you be my wife? Why? My eyes are starting to feel hot. Like my eyes, they feel so hot. So I would put this to try and cool them down from time to time. Am I in a relationship? I would say yes, because I want to love somebody. Your father would never let you go. My father has a hard time letting me go, yeah, but I understand. Every father's like that. I'm 24. I've never read your comment. I'm 24. I'm turning 25 January 4th. I'm from Eswatini. Eswatini was previously known as Swaziland. It's a country in the southern part. Yeah. Have you been in a relationship? Yes. But I won't say that I regret that relationship, but I was happy in it when it first started. Then the second year was violent, and it was, you know, it was toxic. But I won't lie, that relationship I was so happy. And he's the first person to buy me a car. But I was so happy. I'm not at school. So what's your type of guy? A very arrogant man who is unapproachable, a very busy guy who isn't on TikTok and Instagram and all of those things, you know. But there isn't, you know, there aren't things like that, you know. But guys, this lady will never serious about you guys. You're just wasting your time. They never said they wanted me. They're just people on my live. I'm not, like, if I'm going to talk to 225 people on the live, must I now date all of them? And the ladies too. And the kids that are here. Yeah. You know, these people have no sense. This lady is wasting your time. Can I take someone with you? Sorry, I was trying to read that. Can take someone with true love but no money. Yes, I've done that before. I flew him out. Even I've done that before, and he wasn't really broke. He just wasn't okay financially, because he even bought me a dress and stuff. So no, he wasn't really broke, but he wasn't too exposed. But I would fall in love. I don't understand why is he saying that. What country am I? Eswatini. Come to South Africa. I was there, Muslim Gqibelo. I was there Saturday. I went to Mall of Africa with my girlfriend. She wanted to buy panties, so we went and looked